Ever wish you could open Gmail instantly without typing the URL every time? Today, I'll show you a simple trick to add a Gmail button to Google Chrome so you can access your inbox with just one click. First, open Gmail in your Chrome browser and make sure you're signed in. This is important, especially if you manage multiple accounts, because the bookmark will link directly to the account you're currently using. Once Gmail is opened, look at the top of your browser and find the star icon on the right side of the address bar. Click on it and a small menu will appear. Here, you can name your bookmark. Gmail works perfectly. After naming it, click Save and your Gmail bookmark is ready. Now, to use it efficiently, open a new tab by clicking the plus icon. In the top right corner, click the menu icon, usually shown as 3 dots or lines, and navigate to your bookmarks. There you'll find the Gmail bookmark you just created. Click it and you'll be taken straight to your inbox instantly. This little shortcut saves time and keeps you productive, especially if you check emails frequently. With just a single click, your Gmail is always ready to go. Give it a try and see how much smoother your daily email routine becomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip makes your online life a bit easier.